Hello and welcome to Flutterfly. In this video, we will be discussing the topic we will be going to cover in this tutorial. Here is a brief overview of the topic we will be covering. First is Introduction to Flutter. In this section, we will be introduce you to Flutter and explore what makes it such a popular choice for building a mobile app. Second is architecture of Flutter. In this section, we will be provide high-level overview of architecture of Flutter. Third is widgets and layout. One of the biggest advantages of Flutter is its rich set of customizable widgets. In this section, we will be explore some of the most common widgets and show you how to build beautiful and responsive user interface. Fourth is navigation and routing. As your app become more complex, you will need to add navigation or routing to help user move between different screen sets. In this section, we will show you how to use Flutter's navigation and routing system to create a seamless user experience. Fifth is state management. As your app grows, you will need to manage the state of your app. In this section, we will be explore some common state management pattern and show you how to implement them in your Flutter application. Sixth is networking and routing. Many apps need to work with the data from external sources such as the API. In this section, we will be show you how to fetch data from an API and display it in your app. 7 is database integration. Many apps need to store the user's data for a future use such as a password and their purchases list. They required a data storage. In this section, we will be show you how to integrate database with your application. 8 is unit and widget testing. No app is perfect, so you will need to be able to test and debug your app. In this section, we will be show you how to use Flutter's built-in testing and debugging tools to make sure your app running smoothly. Ninth is performance and optimization. Before deploying your application, need to be performed well in every aspect. In this section, we will be show you how to achieve high performance of your application and how to optimize your code so that your application ready for a deployment. 10th is deployment and distribution of application. Finally, once your application is ready, you will need to deploy it to the App Store. In this section, we will be show you how to prepare your application for a deployment and submit it to the Google App Store and Apple App Store. That's a brief overview of the topics we will be covering in this Flutter tutorial. We hope you are as excited as we are to dive into the world of Flutter and start building some amazing mobile apps.
If you like my video, then press the like button, share it with your friends who wants to learn Flutter development or want to learn mobile application development, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more videos.